Hi ladies, now we're going to learn how to go from a decimal to a fraction. So the basic idea is if I have a decimal and I just have one digit, like 0.3, that's the same thing as 3 over 10. That's because we work in a base 10 number system, probably because we have 10 fingers. Other cultures developed on base 6 or base 12 systems, but we work in base 10. So one digit means one digit out of 10. If I have 0.31, I now have two digits. So that's not 31 over 10, that's 31 over 100. The number of zeros I have, 2, corresponds to the number of digits I have here, 2. So what if I had 0.315? Well, that would be 315, not over 100 this time, but over 1,000, because it has 3 digits. And so on. This is all if the number isn't going on forever. This is what the word terminating means. It terminates, it has an end. So let's see our example. 0.71, we want it as a fraction in simplest form. So first we're going to make this 71 over 100. Then we're going to ask ourselves, can this be simplified? Well, we know 2 goes into 100, we know 5 goes into 100, but those numbers don't go into 71. In fact, 71, I believe, is a prime number, which means nothing goes into it. So 71 over 100 is our simplified answer, like so. But sometimes you do have to reduce the number, like 0.85, that's 85 over 100. But both of these numbers are divisible by 5, so we need to divide both of them by 5. So divided by 5 on the top, divide by 5 on the bottom. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 85 divided by 5, well, you can think about it. 85 is 15 less than 100. So 5 goes into 15 3 times. So the answer is going to be 3 less than 20. So 17 over 20. And because 17 is a prime number, we're done. So our answer is 17 over 20. And that's how you do these problems. Good luck, ladies.